As you take a look around the fall landscape of what was once full of green grass and colorful flowers, you may think that everything is beginning to die. But you would be wrong. If you take a closer look to the ground, beneath the decaying foliage, you would see a diverse and lively ecosystem. It's said that a handful of soil contains a billion organisms. There are three main classifications for soil organisms, and is based on size. These are macrofauna, mesofauna, and microfauna. Starting with macrofauna, they can be seen with the bare eye. They are anything bigger than 2 millimeters. These include millipedes, slugs, larvae, ants, and earthworms. Ants and earthworms are unique because they are considered ecosystem engineers. When they tunnel through the ground, they create something soil scientists call pores. Pore space is important because it provides an area for plant roots to grow into and aids in the soil's ability to hold water and gases. Macrofauna also aid in the mixing of soils, and animals such as this prairie dog that digs its burrow will mix the nutrient-rich topsoil into the lower soil horizons. Next is mesofauna, and these are organisms that range between 1/10 of a millimeter to 2 millimeters. The video shown is aquatic, but you can better see how small these organisms are. Soil mesofauna will live on the soil surface or in leaf litter. It's important to know that a majority of biological activity occurs within the first 8 inches of the soil. They also will be found in higher concentrations around plant roots. Mesofauna such as mites, springtails, or nematodes perform an important task of clearing the soil pores of decaying plant or animal material, living plants, or fungi. This not only keeps the pores open for drainage and aeration, but also performs a task known as nitrogen remineralization. This is the process by which organic nitrogen compounds found in organisms are processed back into the inorganic forms that can be used by plants. Roughly 30% of nitrogen remineralization is performed by soil fauna. Finally, the smallest organisms are microfauna and are less than 1/10 of a millimeter. You'll need to use a microscope to see them. These are going to be small nematodes, protozoa, tardigrades, fungi, and algae. Microfauna are the most abundant soil organisms. It's estimated that there are 60 billion nematodes for every human on Earth. They perform a wide variety of tasks such as breaking down organic matter to release nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for plant use. One incredible task that microorganisms can do is something called bioremediation. This is where organisms break down contaminants such as oils, pesticides, or heavy metals that are harmful to the ecosystem and convert them into water and gases such as carbon dioxide and ethane. Next time you go outside, take a second to look to the ground and appreciate the small but mighty ecosystem at play beneath your feet. Soil organisms play a critical role in maintaining soil health and fertility by aerating soil, recycling nutrients, and cleansing contaminants, ensuring a vibrant and productive ecosystem.